It does not matter if you belong to a IT sector or ITS, coming from a manufacturing background or from the hospitality industry. The most important thing to survive in any function or in any industry is soft skills. In fact, personally, I believe that soft skills are not only required for professional life, it is also required in a personal life to become better persons. Isn't it? Some of the soft skills are part of our B school subjects, but frankly speaking, with my experience, I tell you, it cannot be taught. It can come with time, with the experience, and some of them are already naturally built in us. Today, I will give you 10 essential things which we all should know about soft skills. Success of any team is dependent on one important thing. Any guesses what? The most important thing is communication skills. If we all communicate well, we communicate clearly, we can exchange our idea and grow together as a team. Verbal and non-verbal communication skills are part of our daily routine. We write so many emails, we have so many meetings, and nowadays with the new normal coming in, the Zoom calls and the team calls, we have to talk. Otherwise, you are not part of that team. In my professional life, I have seen a lot of people who misinterpret the problem solving skills as only technical problem solving skills. But it is not the case. There are many incidences in our daily professional life and personal life where we come across a lot of issues, and whenever we solve that issue, it is called as a problem solving technique. Problem solving technique is outcome of various soft skills combined together. Your brain has to be really sharp to resolve an issue, and just not resolving, but ensuring it does not occur again. Organization or time management skills. Nowadays it is called as multitasking. There are a lot of companies, in fact I will say there are most of the companies who are looking out for an employee who is good in multitasking, which means they are looking for more productivity in lesser time. You really need to think out of the box. Need to have your creative thinking always, so that you're different from others. Creative thinking is the need of the hour. You need to break the orthodox thinking and come out with creative ideas to make your organization grow more and more. The best daily example I can give for this is when we renovate a house or purchase a new apartment, we do its decor. We try to keep it different from others. Be it personal life or professional life, we all come across conflicts. Conflicts happen when the interests of two people clash with each another. At workplace, we have difference of opinion with our superiors, maybe with the team, peers, or anybody else. Having difference of opinion is always good and it's healthy. But we do not have to create conflict for that. We need to respect others' opinion and put up our point as well. In spite of all these issues, if you have good relation with your colleagues and with your family members, that means you have a good conflict management skills. At times, we are asked to study a subject matter very minutely and make rational solutions, analyze it objectively. All these vital procedure is called as critical thinking. Very important quality to be a part of team and to lead a team in a right way. Project management is nothing but to make professional plans, set and reach goals, work with colleagues and discuss project issues and resolve it together. To deal with multiple projects at a time, we all need to have good project management skills. We should have a habit of learning new things and at the same time passing on this knowledge to others as well. And that's possible only if we have curiosity in us. We all need to have a lot of curiosity to learn more and analytical skills and adaptability. In every sector, you will find there are problems and a problem which has multiple solutions. And that is out of just your analytical skills. You can choose the best solution. Analytical skills makes you adapt to any situation. So no matter where you are, where you're sitting in the hierarchy, what level you are, always be a helping hand to others. And that's how we all become as a team. So we need to have team skills. I have made separate videos for all the topics. And before we move out, I request you to quickly click on the like button and the subscribe button in support of One Door HR.